Hello friends, this is Keshav from Wi-Fi Smart English. Today I want to ask you one question. Do you want to speak English? Ask yourself, if you really want to speak English, you don't about my channel. If you want to speak in really, so we don't avoid English channel, about Hindi channel. Hindi channel always give you only satisfaction, but English channel give you knowledge always, but you listen constantly. You have to listen constantly your channel, your at lower channel, so at high channels we should understand which type of we should to do this, but don't think what type of to learning speak English. I don't know, but if you want to learn speak English fluently, you should have watched, you must have watched smart and English channel, English to English channel. Yes, sometimes we need to selfish. Sometimes we need to selfish. We need to somebody watch my video. I want to watch video English to English. I will not understand any structure, but is they make the most of your English. If you watch the English channel, watch it. This type talking that I don't understand how to pause suggest sentence, phrases, structure. I've been working on it for many days, but I didn't message and good message. Somebody messaged me, yes sir, I want to learn speaking English by you, because your English is superb, your stack is superb, whatever you teaching style is superb, you teaching style I can make the most of. But nobody said I want to hear this talk. Just told me, tell me if my channel is I can't, I will rectify, I will make over my channel. But you don't tell me, always ignore my channel. Please watch my videos. My video is not a I can't, my video not a spoil, my video is something good. If you understand yourself, always think I will watch out this, I will watch out English speaking. If you keep watching Hindi to English, you will never speak English fluent. I was used to speak English, but I used to find only English videos, English speech. I always find a normal boy. He can speak. If he can speak English, it means I can speak English. So always I want to find English spoken boy. So right now I have some tips for you. First is one, concentrate. Concentrate on your topic. Which topic do you like? I like a reading topic. I like a watching topic. But two, sometimes you follow in addiction. Addiction means you watching movie. Then you keep watching movies. Don't watch movie unnecessarily. To be honest, when I started English, I felt so many more time. But since I made my strategy, so I will speak English something fluent and not like a foreigner. But still I'm working like I'm making over my English every day. Every single time I talk to myself, I recording my videos every day, every single time, because I want to implement my English spoken. I don't want to speak English normal. I want to advance. I want to like a accent to speak English. So somebody like him, somebody follow me, this type of words, or somebody talk is this. I don't like English, I don't like his accent. But I like English accent. He like a big taste, a big accent. People understand sometimes, not every time. I don't feel this type of feelings, but try the makeup most. Mistakes are teacher was. Mistake are our teachers. Mistake will teach us. But you will understand the mistake. Make many mistake. Mistake want to teach you constantly. Really, I always feel myself, I will not make mistake. But still, it happen. It happen by mistake. So I can concentrate. I can tolerate my mistake. I rectify my mistake on that. Then I keep thinking, I will improve my English, I will make over English, I mean most of my English. This is not rocket science here. I thought I'm feeling bad. I thought I don't have knowledge too much like a foreigner, but still I want to try to. I have to do this, I have to think, I have to like a foreigner. We are not a foreigner, but we can try to like a foreigner. So try to concentrate on English, watch English channel, watch English movies, watch don't watch Hindi channel. Like many channels you can watch Hindi, then you will not able to and capture Hindi, English. So always think English, think in English, then speak in English. I have my subscribers speak English, but they think in English don't. They think in Hindi. That's why they know how to speak English fluent. So that's why they don't want to speak English fluent. My last point to you, to a diligent for learning is speak English. To feel nervous, to anyone, to forget your word, to speak English, to forget your every structure while speaking English, to feel fat, to feel catamas, to nervous that time. I think because this is not our fluent language. Still, it's mean you feel cat agitation. You hesitation in Hindi still because it's Hindi. If you can't speak Hindi fluent, you will never speak able to. You will never to able to speak English. Hindi to English compare. Think in English, speak in command tone English. Make the most of English, with the part of English, and think in English, think in totally English. Don't speak Hindi, then speak English. Don't. If I do this, if I did it, I could never speak English like me. I'm talking speaker. I always think it like this is my piece of cake, my cup of tea. I have to make the most of my English. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood this video. My purpose only concentrate on English. Don't go after your Hindi and English. To only follow your English channel always. If you have to keep on, you will be able to speak English. You can command on English. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you watched this video till last and you will subscribe this channel if you like it. Otherwise, if you do, what do you want to? Why? Good luck.